Hello everyone. Welcome to channel NITTRX. Today we have the new Onexfly F1 device from the company Onexfly. We have a game test and the feature of syncing the game progress. After the first binding of the game archive path, every time you start and end the game, the cloud archive will be automatically synchronized. For example, when I play a track now, it will automatically detect synchronization and then automatically detect that it is a hardware device. We are going to test Devil May Cry 5 with a low TDP setting of 15 watts with the stability of the frame rate and its stability. It leads to a smooth and more fun playing 60 frames.
Like that? And have some more. Yeah.